Okay, so we have a set of simultaneous equations, and I'm just going to start off by just writing them out to give myself a bit more room, because it's a little bit too small otherwise. So I'm just copying out the question. Now, there's a list of things we need to do for these, and there are different methods. I'm just going to go through the main one. The first thing is I need to get either the x's or the y's the same coefficient. So the number before them needs to be the same, ignoring signs. Now looking at this, and I'm going to label these A and B. Looking at this, if I double A, then the x's would become the same because they both have a coefficient of 4. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to write 2A. So I'm going to double everything in A. So double the 2x to make 4x to make the x's the same. Double the 5 before the y, so that's 10y now. And double the 24 to make 48. Now, next, I need to probably, and it's normally the case that if I write down B again, it just makes things easier. So I'm just going to literally copy down B underneath. Okay, so next I'm going to remind myself that I'm working downwards now. So I just put little circles around these to remind me I'm going downwards. And I need to look at the sign before the letter that I've made the same coefficient. So I'm looking at the x's and I'm looking at the signs before them. If the signs are the same, we are going to subtract. If the signs are different, we're going to add. And it's that simple. Okay. Now the signs are the same because they're both positive, so we are going to be subtracting. So a minus there, and a minus there. Okay, let's start. 4x take away 4x is nothing, which is good because it needs to be nothing. 10y minus 3y. Now 2 minuses make a plus, so that's 10y plus 3y, which would be 13y. And we've got 48 plus, because the 2 minuses make a plus 4, which is going to be 52. I'm going to put my lines in. Okay, next I need to do 52 divided by 13. And we're going to do both of these divided by 13. So we've got y equals, I think it's 4. So 4 times 13 is 52. So yeah, y equals 4. Then I'm going to pick one of the equations from the question and I'm going to substitute the 4 in. I'm just going to pick the top one. So 2x plus 5 times 4, because we know that y is 4, equals 24. And again, put my lines in. So it's 2x plus 20 equals 24. Take away 20 from both sides. 2x equals 4. Divide both sides by 2. Extend my lines a little bit. And x equals 2. Now if you've got time in the exam, you can check that that's right by using the second equation. So 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12, and 8 take away 12 is minus 4, so we know it's correct. So x is 2 and y is 4.